Welcome to today's episode. Today we will examine technology from a slightly different perspective. You might not think that an ordinary tap or shower in an office or hotel could pose a health risk, such as the presence of the dangerous Legionella bacteria. Specifically, we will take an example from the Technical University of Cracow.
We have a case study from the IQRF Alliance. It concerns the company Legionella, which supplies systems and equipment for bathrooms and sanitary facilities for offices, schools, shopping centers, airports, and other similar buildings.
At the Cracow University of Technology, at the Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, a system from Legionella has been implemented. This allows them to centrally monitor, for example, whether the soap dispenser is running out or how much water has flowed through each toilet or urinal, all wirelessly.
Using IQRF technology?
Exactly. In this case, the IQRF network transmits data from sensors on sanitary facilities. The goal was to save water and energy for heating, as well as to make the work of cleaners easier, as they then know exactly where to go to refill soap and clean.
But the system has another function. It may not be immediately apparent at first glance, but it is essential from a health perspective. These are automatic hygienic flushes. They are critical to preventing the spread of Legionella bacteria.
It multiplies very well in stagnant water, typically in pipes that are not used frequently, such as in a part of a building with empty rooms.
I see.
And the danger is not in drinking the water, but mainly in inhaling tiny droplets of it. Aerosol that is contaminated.
For example, from the shower.
From the shower, from the air conditioning, from a fountain, hot tubs can also be risky.
So it's not just about comfort and saving money. The technology in toilets and showers actually actively monitors health. And that's important. The benefits for building managers, modern equipment, and consumption statistics are all good, but this takes it to a whole new dimension, as it directly prevents disease.
Exactly. And these aren't just any illnesses. Legionnaire's disease is a serious form of pneumonia, or a milder form, Pontiac fever, which has more flu-like symptoms. It's important to realize who is most at risk. A healthy person can usually cope with it, even if they become infected, but it is mainly a problem for the elderly and people with chronic illnesses.
Or with weakened immunity.
For example, in hospitals, transplant patients, or those with cancer. That is why prevention using these systems is so important in hospitals, spas, and nursing homes.
That is where the risk groups are concentrated.
Additionally, in such large facilities, there are often parts that are less frequently used, as well as rooms that are currently empty. And there, the water in the pipes and showers can usually stand still. It is an ideal environment for the growth of dangerous bacteria.
I see. To sum up, these smart toilets and showers are not just about modernization and numbers for administrators, but also because they can flush unused pipes themselves. As a result, they actually increase safety for people in the building by preventing water from standing and allowing dangerous organisms to multiply in it. Additionally, the operator has conclusive evidence that automatic flushing is occurring in their building and can defend themselves in the event of a dispute.
This is a nice example of how the intelligent world of IoT in the field of sanitary technology helps reduce health risks. Thank you for your attention. Stay tuned for the next episode of our podcasts.